Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I've been using the Capital One application to manage my credit cards and accounts, but recently it just froze on the login screen and wouldn't load anything. So if you are also facing the same problem, here are some of the troubleshooting methods that you can try in order to fix this issue. First of all, you just have to clear the app's cache and data. So with over time, saved files inside the application can get corrupted and cause freezing, failed logins and slow loading. So in order to fix that, you just have to simply come out of your Capital One application completely. Then you need to long press on its icon and tap on the eye icon. Now once you are in the app info, you will see the clear data option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So you need to simply tap on that and tap on clear cache and then press OK. Now clearing the cache won't affect your account, it will just going to remove the temporary files and it will also help the application to start fresh. Second thing, you need to make sure that you have a strong mobile network or Wi-Fi security. So the Capital One application often refuses to load if it detects a weak or unsecured connection. So if you are using your public Wi-Fi, you need to switch to the mobile data or you need to connect to a private secure network. Also avoid using any VPNs when accessing your Capital One account because they can trigger security blocks on the application. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.